Yeah, I just want to wish Winnie Asabo a happy birthday, God's protection and blessings, the best life can offer, but most importantly, good health. Please enjoy it and have fun. I wish you many, 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 many more years. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Take care and congratulations on your new line, Winnie Beauty. Take care, bye.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, it does bust, it does shell for everywhere. We finally can know, say, my fair wish her happy birthday first. John Usaige, ex-woman Winifred, happy birthday to you. We wish you long life and prosperity. My darling people, not be smart you. Not be smart you happen for Isa Abule. I shocked her eyes when I see where she for celebrate her birthday. Now we can't know the new Bobo way Winifred they follow. Don't wonder. You know say when somebody don't be celebrity. Don't come they look their husband like yeah person, my darling people, because this her birthday way she celebrates, so can't really just said it all. You understand? Her level don't high, like her level don't high, not be small, my darling people, her birthday wey she do na inside private jet too. Easy, they don celebrate you for inside private jet. Diallo Sage, my dear brother, make you just take out. Winifred don go, he don move on. Even Kanu wan call, even celebrate am for his birthday. Na there I know say water don pass garri o. Na there I know say the level don high, like seriously. The level don high, yo, my darling people, not be smart, you. When I see the birthday, I was like, my sister, your level don, as in, it don high, not be small. My darling people, my correct people, I go put the video more and see am, not be smart, you. She finally come present the bobo for us inside private jet too. Since the big people wey come to celebrate her for her birthday, can one call us celebrate you for your birthday? Is that celebrate you? My ogbonge people, as I see the video, I said no. Let me one not go see this one. I have to come share am for my people, make they hear am. I have to come tell my people, make they hear am. Not be smart, my darling people. So genocide, even genocide, I see he post one guy. I say, okay, genocide, may you take out my brother. I know say shit happens sometimes. It happen sometimes, you understand. So now so the life just be. Now so the life just be, my darling people. More than join me celebrate Winifred happy birthday, long life and prosperity to you. We wish you every go things where you wish yourself for this life. All your secret prayer, God don't answer them for your birthday. We wish you long life, we wish you prosperity. Now let you want to know the reason why you don't want to settle with your husband again. You understand? Now let you want, I really know. Because first they marry me, they happy for a marriage. And if you don't still work at have a bomb, I buy my sister. You understand? If you not still work at, everybody go your separate ways without quarrel. You understand? 2 times now na don quarrel now e no gree work out. So I believe say na so God want am. You understand? So this your new baba wey just dey make you dey shine like this. So maybe na you love. So maybe you just continue with am. Do you understand? I get my brother, may you still move on. Move on. I mean me back there. Not where person never see for this world though. Even am I here save what person never see for this world. You never waka reach there, you understand? So sometimes things they happen, may we take learn. Things they happen, may we take get sense. You understand? Not be everybody where you even born for, that be your husband. And just that one, I want more than know. Not be person everybody wey you born for like be your husband. No. Woman a say kenori emudia. If head not reach where they go, e no dey stand o. E no dey stand, my people. If head not reach where they go, e no dey stand. You understand? So I believe say the Onosage not met for Winifred, and Winifred not met for the Onosage. Now it make two of them will not really work out, because ever since we really leave the Onosage, I can't really see differences for your body, you know. She can't dey shine, she just dey, you know. So you know, say the Onosage way they different. And so she like Christian way. The Onosage not like her. So the thing not go work. It get a be. When I understand, it not go work. So maybe na it make the thing not really work out for the two of them. So I just pray, Sha, the where she did now, make it really favor her. Where she did now, make it really sweet for her. Hey, because now private jet, the country they carry them up and down now, up and down, up and down. Now so, my darling people, low, so the life just be. So my ogbonge people, I go put the video more and see the new bobo, the new mede where she dey follow now. I go put am on and see my darling people. So anything wanna think about the video, I'm gonna say wish her happy birthday. When I still leave a comment, I'm gonna not insult me for comment too. Wanna not insult me. Okay, my darling people. Take care. Oh, ma put the video now more and see me. Bye. And then me to share the video and subscribe before you start watching. And me to share it too. Bye.
That is kind of love that making my body sweet like sugar.
Well, a very special happy birthday to you, Winnie. It's a new season, and I pray that this new year, this new season will bring about everything good. The grace of God on your life is on the increase. I pray that every prayer of your heart will be granted by the Lord. Thank you for what you're doing for the Lord. Thank you for worshiping Him, for you using your life to serve God. All right? Enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you're having fun. God bless you. Happy birthday once again. Bye-bye.